The University of Texas at Austin, or UT for short, was founded in 1833 and is the oldest institution in the University of Texas system. Its campus size is a whopping 431 acres. It has a total of 41,000 undergraduate students, 11,000 graduate students, and 3,000 teaching faculty. UT has one of college's most recognized logos, with the burnt orange and white Texas Longhorn, and they are known for their chant and hand signal of "Hook 'em horns." Its most famous campus landmark is the UT Tower. Standing at 307 feet tall, the tower lights up orange after every sports win with the number 1 on each side to show UT pride. And it was first lit during the 1937 football season. UT is known for a strong tradition in sports. The Longhorns have won 4 national football championships, 6 baseball championships, and the school has claimed more titles in men's and women's sports than any other member in the Big 12. However, beginning in July of 2024, the Longhorns will be competing in the Southeastern Conference. And at the time of this tour, UT alumni have earned 155 Olympic medals. Notable alumni from UT include astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson, legendary journalist Walter Cronkite, First Ladies Laura Bush and Lady Bird Johnson, and actors Owen Wilson and Matthew McConaughey. Alumni from UT have been pivotal in the growth of Austin's economy. The campus is also the site of the LBJ Library and Museum. The publicly funded University of Texas paid $15 million of the $18 million needed to construct the complex and donated the land for the library. Lyndon Baines Johnson served as president between 1963 to 1969. At the time of this tour, the museum is one of just 15 presidential libraries across the nation. In total, the LBJ Library houses 45 million pages of historical documents, 650,000 photos, and 5,000 hours of recordings from President Johnson's political career, including 600 hours of his recorded telephone conversations.